Okay, so we've got a question to do with conditional probability, and we're going to solve this one using tree diagrams. So we've got a bag with 6 green and 4 yellow beads. We've got a bead taken at random and not replaced, and a second bead is taken from the bag. And there's 3 probabilities we're going to find. So find the probability the second is yellow, find the probability that the first bead was green given the second is yellow, and then given both beads the same colour, find the probability that they are both yellow. So with this question, what we want to do is start by drawing a tree diagram. So we've got first bead taken out, and it can be green or it can be yellow. Because there's 10 beads in total, probability of green would be 3/5, and then 2/5 for yellow. And then we can repeat the branches. So we could have green and yellow for the second bead after the first bead being green. Whereas the first bead's green, then there's 5 green left out of 9 and 4 yellow left out of 9. If we take out a yellow, we could then get green or yellow in the second case. Well, if there's yellow being taken out, there's now 3 yellow left and 6 green. So that's 6 out of 9 for green and 3 out of 9 for yellow. So with tree diagrams, we multiply along the branches to get probabilities. So the top one, green followed by green, 3/5 times 5/9 is 15 out of 45. Then green followed by yellow would be 3/5 times 4/9, which would be 12 out of 45. And then yellow followed by green, 2/5 times 6/9 is also 12 out of 45. And then yellow followed by yellow would be 2/5 times 3/9, which is 6 out of 45. And we can use those to answer the questions that are up at the top. So find the probability that the second bead is yellow. Well, second bead is yellow is here and here. So when we're doing these questions, it's only these numbers we're looking at. We ignore all the stuff there, that's not useful anymore. It's only this bit that's actually important. So probability the second is yellow is here and here. So we just add 12/45 and 6/45. So that's going to be 18 out of 45. Okay, and then we've got find a probability that first bead was green given that the second is yellow. So the second is yellow. We've got these two. And of those two, if you go back, it's only this one where the first one was green. So we had the second is yellow here and here. This one, the first would have been a yellow. This one, the first was a green. So we're given that we're looking at these two. So that means that we're looking at something out of the 18 over 45 that we just calculated a moment ago. Of those, the first was green here, so that's 12 out of 45. So it's 12 out of 45 over 18 out of 45. Well, that's the same as 2/3. So that's the answer. And then the final one, given that both beads are the same colour, find the probability that they are both yellow. So both the same colour is green and green, or yellow and yellow. So it's 15 out of 45 and 6 out of 45. So we know it's out of a total of 21 out of 45. And then both yellow was the one here, which is 6 out of 45. So that's the same as 6 out of 21, or I suppose we could simplify it to 2/7.